Okay, so to log in and find your assignments, when you go to Canvas, please make sure that it says Canvas Free for Teacher. If it doesn't, it's the wrong place. So log in, click Stay Signed In. It's going to make life easier so you don't have to keep on logging back in. Log on in, obviously. Then choose your class. Most of you only have one. I'm just going to click on Computer Art. And then the first place you're going to want to check is announcements. So when you go under announcements, I'm going to have an announcement which will tell you, what you need to do. So in this case, it's telling them that they need to try to do this, and it'll tell you what to do for the day. You can also go back and check conversations. That's going to have conversations that you're involved with, and then assignment notifications. In this case, I'm going to go to student view so you can see exactly what we're going to be looking for here. And from here, I'm going to go to assignments. This is important for you to be able to find the assignment. You need to make sure that you go to show by type. Show by type is going to bring up March and April assignments. That's where I'm going right now. And from here, obviously, we're going to start with 1.0. The due dates are going to be correct. Okay, so please get them in on the due date. I'm looking for maybe a half an hour or an hour, not even per day. And please put in the time. Okay, and then after that, please upload your assignment. If you are unable to upload it because of whatever reason, hold on to the hard copy. Whatever drawing you did, please hold on to that. So there you go.